Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 7 divided by 7 divided by 7 and again divided by 7. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have 3 divisions. And when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to work from left to right. So first this division, then this division, and finally this division. 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. So 1 divided by 7 and again divided by 7. 1 divided by 7 can be written as 1 over 7. And we have here divided by 7. Now we have just 1 over 7 divided by 7. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. We can write 1 over 7, then times 1 over 7. And this is equal to 1 times 1 equals 1 over 7 times 7 gives us 49. So our final answer to this problem is just 1 over 49.